You basically don't want to cruise with us.
This is a new one. Oh my!
Failure to comply will result in death.
I like birthdays. Okay, our new friends just delivered hot, fresh baked bread. Okay, that is a first.
I'm thinking we're gonna have a bread maker in our future. And this is after they made us a spectacular dinner last night.
It's crazy.
We're getting taken care of.
Guys.
Make your carbs count.
Wow.
You never know where the adventure's gonna take you. Today it's all about returning this MacBook Pro, this nearly brand new machine that's never worked right. Gotta brave some rather bouncy conditions and go stand in line at the Apple store. Stand in line so that I can get an appointment to return the computer. But we need it. This is how we make the videos, so I'm off. After that dinghy ride back from town, it's too rocking and rolling out there off Charleston. Pretty town, cool to be so accessible, but we are going up river, literally up river to a creek, Knoll Creek, I think.
Yeah, I feel like we're kind of going up to Wilmington. Looks like that.
Yeah.
Is this what the ICW is like?
I think this is the ICW.
Is it?
I don't know. So anyway, we're gonna go up a creek and diagnose the newest little boat issue.
Oh my gosh. When we were going under the bridge and we were sailing, lots of wind, and Nick went to turn on the engines and the key broke off in his hand. And I just thought, oh my God, this is horrible. Nick was so calm and just unflappable.
This is the top of our key, which broke off in the ignition right here. And Megan knew that it was gonna happen. Somewhere deep inside me, I knew it was gonna happen. This key has been rusted into the ignition literally since we bought the boat. You've heard this before on this channel. I have nobody to blame except for myself for allowing this to get this far. But here we are, the key's broken off. We do have miscellaneous key number 1 here in the boat. I think that it'll probably work. I mean, I don't see any weird teeth or anything in there, so I'm hoping this just slides right in. I bolt it back on and we're back in business.
QBJ.
QBJ? What's that stand for?
Quick boat job.
Quick boat job. It's usually a BD, a boat disaster, where something really, really small, like breaking the key off, ends up taking, 2 or 3 weeks and several $1,000s to solve. But anyway, I'm hopeful that I can get the rest of the key out and get the new key in. These are some of your best friends on a boat. These little things from Snap-on Tools are just like little picks. So the fact that they've got a hole in here makes me think that this is something that happens sometimes. Okay, Megan comes in here with the needle nose pliers, and I mean, we gotta capture it on film if it really is this easy.
Oh my God! QBJ! Moment of truth.
Oh! Now turn a little further, like you're gonna start it. Oh my
yes.
God.
All right, moment of truth.
Moment of truth.
Okay, look at that shiny new key.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Oh my God! Good job! Woo!
And as always, we check to see that water's coming out. Well, we're on the edge of all these wetlands, and took the drone up and looked around a bit, and it looks like these little creeks go up a long ways. So we're gonna take the dinghy out and explore a little bit and see where the path leads.
Isn't it better just to get in the water?
So I think you should suit up. It's your turn.
Can we get a diver out here?
Hello. We're on the middle of nowhere. Will there be an extra charge for that? Wanna go across? You basically don't want to cruise with us because we attract weird weather. Second tropical storm of the season already, and yeah, this is Bertha. Bertha formed just off South Carolina coast. We're tucked well inland up a river, up a creek, so we are protected. But it's rainy, it's windy, and we continue to watch the models very closely to look for a weather window north. But it's frustrating. We seem to be kind of stuck in this pattern of unsettled weather for the southeast coast. We're going to discuss it. We may just go for it and try and make some distance in less than ideal conditions. Tortured.
We're tornjured.
Tornjured.
Torn and tortured. Tornjured.
Tell us the situation.
Okay. We are in this beautiful sanctuary north of Charleston. And it's gorgeous. And oh my God, there's dolphins everywhere. There's pelicans and there's just no one around. And that's the option is to stay until next Tuesday when we might have better winds to go all the way up to the Chesapeake. It's really hard. Could just sit here, watch dolphins, and enjoy the day.
Well, as we just about always do, we wait till the very last second and then we do an about face and change our mind completely. So we were thinking we'd stick around here for a few days, but we're feeling like maybe we should go.
And just like that, we are sailing. Feels good out here. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. And we got about what, 10 knots of wind?
Yeah, about that.
About 10 knots, and we're gonna see how far we wanna go.
Did you say something useful for our audience?
Yeah, us checking out Winya. We're gonna win you over.
We're going to Winya Bay.
Winya Bay at dusk.
Yeah, coming in a little later than we'd like, but big old thunderstorm set to arrive overnight into tomorrow, and we'd rather not be out in the ocean for that.
This is a new one.
These flies are crazy. Who would have thought?
They're huge.
They're gigantic and they're biting. Look at me. We're trying to navigate up this river.
In the dark?
In the dark. And we're trying to find a safe anchorage from the thunderstorms that are coming. And now we're trying to find safe harbor from the flies. Ay, ay.
I wanted to share something that I learned recently. Zucchini can be kept on the counter. It does not need to be put into the refrigerator. I've had this zucchini for over 2 weeks, and tonight I'm gonna make zoodles with this little machine. So let's see if it's still good. Nice and firm. I'd say it looks good. I'll peel that a little bit. If I were to put this in the refrigerator, it would have lasted maybe a week. So fridge space is at a premium most of the time. So this is a good little trick. So what are you doing here, Nick?
Oh, we're replacing the bow rollers. Hopefully.
Is this a QBJ?
This would be typical of a, you think it's going to be QBJ and it's really an LBJ.
What's the L?
Long. So I got to take the weight off of the anchor.
boat.
All right, this is one ugly air conditioner. It leaks refrigerant and it doesn't blow all that cold. And actually, it was like this when we bought the boat, so we knew it wasn't in good condition. What we didn't know when we bought the boat was just how important air conditioning might be for us. I mean, it's the summertime and the winds aren't nearly as strong. So the boat heats up pretty good and it gets tough to sleep unless you've got some air conditioning. So this old beast is going to get replaced by a much, much smaller unit that will only air condition our bedroom. It'll run off much less power. Look at this cute little thing.
That is going to make my dreams come true.
Yeah. Now look right here. This bad boy is 3,500 BTU. It's just so small and cute. For comparison's sake, the one in our salon here is 16,000 BTU. So this is between a quarter and a fifth the size. And now we were thinking, not very much cooling power. Yes, but also not much power consumption. This thing is probably going to be taking around, I'd say, 3 to 5 amps. And we'll probably be able to run it most of the night, which I think will make sleeping a lot easier. But trying to figure out how to wrestle this old beast out and get the new one in, that's going to be a bit of a task. But I'm up to it. Let's do it.
Woo!
Isn't that pretty? This is really heavy, actually. Failure to comply will result in death. You could freeze to death from this air conditioner.
It's so cute. Don't fall. Well, it's definitely going to fit.
Oh, it's so cute. So you gotta get the water hoses working. And then we also gotta figure out how to get this thing on there. The keys. The keys to the secret passageway inside Clarity. You think it's a skincare cabinet, don't you? But wait. I can pull this lever to reveal...
What? We could hide in there.
Yeah. It worked.
You made that look so easy. Dang. Oh my god, it's cool in here.
So this is going to make a big difference on those days where we got bugs outside and it's real hot. We just want to cool down for a couple hours, 3 hours in the evening. I don't think that we've got enough juice to run the thing all night long. It's drawing a little bit more power than I thought. I'm not exactly sure why, but yeah, about half the night maybe.
Nice. Good job. I'm impressed once again.
You first.
Well, this was a unexpected and kind of expensive little stop, but really cute. Georgetown is cool.
Been wanting to come here for a little while now, and yeah, the downtown area is really, really fantastic. It's just got a nice vibe about it. It's really quiet.
Yeah, I feel like I'm either in the movie Magnolia or Forrest Gump.
Yeah, can you hear the birds chirping in the background?
Got the shrimp boats. I think there's even a restaurant called Bubba Gum.
Next time we'll be talking about why we ended up in here. We've had a few electrical problems we've been chasing down. And then it's on up the coast. Finally, the weather window looks like it's open for us, and we're going to make our northbound tracks. hopefully. So I'm looking forward to seeing some new territory.
I am too. Finally, June 1st, a whole new adventure. Thanks everybody for watching, and special thanks to our patrons. We really, really appreciate your support.
Yeah, and folks have also been donating through PayPal through the Sail Clarity website. So also an extra big thank you to you guys who've been so generous with us. We really, really appreciate it.
Yeah, we love all your comments and emails, so keep them coming.
Keep them coming, guys.
And if you didn't know, we also have a podcast that we do every week.
What, we don't talk about it enough, everybody? Stitcher, iTunes, and where else?
Spotify.
Spotify. You can find us Under the Sheets with the O'Kellys, a little bit more behind the scenes, background sort of stuff.
Yeah, a little free flow.
Yeah. So join us there, and until next time.
We'll see you next week, guys. Thank you.
Take care.